Fridays with Fancy Nancy, and today we are making a fabulous DIY Christmas crystal ball snowman. I'm very excited about this. Every year I try to do one DIY project for Christmas that I love. It's a tradition in our house. We do a DIY every year. A few years ago we did this fabulous chandelier above my dining room table. So this year we are making, I'm obsessed with disco balls this year, so we are making a disco ball snowman. So I'm going to show you all the materials that you need, and then we will link them all. So first you need to order a hat. There are many different hats. This is from Amazon. It was $29.99. Then I am extra, as we all know, and so I'm going to have like a little bougie feather going on the side of my snowman's hat. Then you need a scarf, which I just took this out of my closet, but you can get some scarves on Amazon or any clothing store. Then I have ribbon for my hat. You can do any color of your choosing, Hobby Lobby. And then I have a ton of buttons because I like options for his buttons that we're going to put on him. Then you also need a glue gun. And then I have a blanket. This is going to go on the very bottom of his feet, his or her feet, whichever you want to make it look like snow. So you just want to find a blanket. This is from Ross. It's $9.99. And then you need a thick PVC pipe to put all your disco balls together. You can do different sizes. Obviously I went go big or go home, you know me. So this is a 20 inch, and then I have 16, and then I have 12. So once you get your disco balls, these are all from Amazon. I will put the links. You're gonna drill a hole in it. Be careful not to crack it. And then you're just stacking them on top.